How's y'all doing, everybody? I feel like every single time I'm trying to work on my car, it's cloudy outside. And the fucking rooster across the street gonna be screaming non-stop. And the car's passing by. But anyway, as you can see, I got something unusual going on. This is a polyurethane front bumper lip for IS300. I really like the style and the design, all that, and the best thing about it is polyurethane, so it's less easier to break than fiberglass. So theoretically, it should fit on E36 front bumper because the width is really similar, and how forward, like how, well, I guess length, this will be the length, yeah, this will be the length, so the length is similar and the width is similar. If I can do it, that'd be funny, because I think I'll be the first person, probably not, but one of the first people who actually fit an IS300 front bumper lip on an M3 bumper. I've seen somebody using a whole ass IS300 bumper on an E46. Looks pretty dope, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but I got a new little mic from Best Buy, and I hope the quality is better than the old one. Yeah, that's that. Alright, as you can see, this is the front bumper that took out the whole ass tire wall and almost killed 20 of my friends in range. That's the bumper. Yeah, it's all the bumper's fault. So as you can see, the clip actually popped out of the bumper itself. So I'm gonna try to take the screws off, these two at least, and then try to pop the clip back in, because I believe to properly install that, I need to mount it on the lip. I think. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. This one as well. I need to remove this hole. I guess it doesn't come off like that. There's just these clips. Out. Right in my eye. Wow, great. Pretty sure this is not the correct way to do it, but fuck it, I don't care. There it is. Alright. Yep. Step one is finished. Okay, somebody tell me, like, what's with our, or at least my habit that I just want to trigger it, like, for nothing, literally, just make sure it works. Yeah. Okay, I think I might have to trim this entire section off because, well, it just doesn't fit. There's no deeper explanation than that. I just have to. One thing is the IS300 bumper has a wider opening, and on the E36 it's more like brought inwards. But good thing is polyurethane, so I can always just bend it and let the sun do the rest of the work. Now I'm gonna cut this area off with an angle grinder. I already have a bad feeling, but if I messed up, I'm only losing like $60. Yeah, $60. That's a lot during this time. We'll see. it goes. First things first, I'll tell you what, it doesn't smell too good. I hope it's not toxic. This smells kind of funky. It's not a bad smell of polyurethane burning, but I'm pretty sure it's not healthy for you. Not bad, huh? I'm digging it. Pretty dope. I'm happy. Exactly what I want. Wow. Nice. So after God knows how many hours, the lip is on. The seam's over here. I just need to order some plastic welder. I might have some. I have the JB Weld plastic bonding thing, but I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Next, I'm gonna cut the fog lamp bracket, clean it up. Look. I don't know, who is he talking to? Oh, like, comment, and subscribe. I never remember to say that, but do that, all of that. All right, let's finish it up real quick. All right, it's pretty much done. I just need to use the buffer to clean up the edge and clean up the whole bumper. Let me know what you think. I'm excited. I'm seriously excited. Yo, I've never this is something I've been wanting to do, but I never got a chance to do for a long time, and I finally did it. I'm so proud of myself. Whew. Oh. Look at this. A driveway full of trash and tools. I'm so excited though. This thing turned out way better than I thought. And I'm just so happy now. Oh, I'm tired but so happy. Come on, just look at this. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Oh, I love this so much. Man, if I ever have another M3 bumper, I'm gonna do the same thing. Look at this opening. Oh boy. All right, I'm done for today. I'm gonna clean it up and clean up the bumper and the ground and everywhere. I'm gonna time lapse the last little bit so you guys can see the final finish. Doesn't even make sense. Anyway, you guys can see the bumper, how the bumper looks when it's clean. Yeah. Again, like, comment, subscribe if you like the content, if you like what I'm doing. Before we finish this video, I didn't know my face looked like this until just now, so sorry if I scared you. Alright, now let's back to time lapse. I look like I just came back from some coal digging, but this is the final product. It's for now it's done. I'm just hyped. Like, I look dirty, I look ugly, but I don't care. I'm just fucking happy about what I did today. Yeah, it looks way better than just the old M3 bumper. Wow, I sound like one of those cringy ass YouTubers. I feel like I am one of them, but I'm just proud of myself. I'm still proud of myself right now. Anyways, catch you guys next week.